How to open Shopee Pay Malaysia account. Now, in order to set up or open a Shopee Pay Malaysia account, you need to first of all download the application onto your device, which is the Shopee application. And within Shopee application, make sure you first of all log into your account. And within the Me tab right here, you should be able to see the option called Shopee Pay being displayed. You simply need to head over to it, and if this is your first time, you need to accept the terms and conditions and then provide your information such as your legal name and the identity details. In the next step, you'll need to create a 6-digit PIN, and once the PIN has been activated, you'll also need to verify your identity by providing or using your MyCat ID, or if you're a foreigner, you'll need to use your passport. Once you have provided your password, the last thing that you can do or will need to do is verify the facial scan, and your account should be available or the wallet should be approved within 24 hours. So this is the exact steps that you need to follow. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.